how we can get the useful insight from our Google Analytics account. I will share you one simple tricks and no code tool, so you don't want to waste your time and you can get the useful information that you are looking for in Google Analytics for account, and you are spending hours and hours to finding the important data and the stats. But using this tool you can getting all the important data within a few clicks, and you can set up your account very easily. I will share you all the process, so let's get started now. Okay, you already upgrade your GA3 account to GA4, but now you are confused how you can get the useful data and useful insight, and the reporting section is looking pretty complex in a GA4, so you don't have enough time to generate the report and analyzing all the reports and getting the useful data. So you can use this tool called Narrative B, and this tool is totally free, and this tool doesn't require any coding. This tool is 100% code free. You just need to plug and play your Google Analytics account, and you will receive useful insight directly from your email, and you can also connect your Slack account. And here you can see the website. Turn your data into the meaningful narrative. Receive valuable insight from your marketing and the product data automatically. Connect all your data sources in one place, zero coding. So basically here you can connect all the different data sources like your Google Analytics account, your Google Ads account, and other different data sources also. But right now we can connect only Google Analytics for account. At the time there is no option to connect other tools. So here you can see the Narrative B features like receiving personalizing insighting. You will receive personalized insight like based on your conversion and goal, and you can make your decision quick as possible, and this tool save you a lot of time. And here you can see you can eliminate the independency, and you can just plug and play this tool. So here you can click the button start for free, and I already sign up for the account, and I already log in the account. You can see my dashboard. Here you can see like there are different options like active user insight, conversion insight, geography based insight, user behavior, and website performance. And all of these inside here you can see the card form, and you can just click on and you can see this useful graph, and you can analyze your performance and metrics very easily. And if I click to my account, and here you can see the data source. Here you need to connect your Google Analytics for account. Click on the connect button and you can connect your Google Analytics for account, and here you can see the upcoming data sources. So you can connect all of these data sources in the future, but right now we can connect only Google Analytics for account. And here you can see the team option. You can add your team member also, and right now there is no plan. There is free plan, and maybe they will upgrade some paid plan also in future, but right now there is free plan. And here is the community link. If you want to check out other detail also and read about in details, you can check their community also. And if I close here you can see all the performance that I getting, all the insight this tool is generating. So we can getting all the insight from this tool. And here is the notification option. You can set the notification, and you can add your Slack option also here, and you will receive notification directly from your Slack account also. So this tool is pretty useful if you don't know how to generate the report in Google Analytics 4 and you just need some useful important data. So this tool is pretty helpful. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I will make more videos about Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads and no code tools. So please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next one.